In today's fast-paced world, transportation is rapidly evolving, and bicycles are leading the charge in this revolution. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, exploring breathtaking trails, or simply looking for a greener way to get around, there's a bike designed to transform your travel experience. From sleek, high-tech e-bikes to rugged, adventure-ready mountain bikes, the latest innovations in cycling are changing the way we move. In this video, we've handpicked 15 incredible bikes that combine comfort, speed, and convenience with cutting-edge design, technology, and sustainability. Get ready to discover bikes that will make your daily commute, weekend adventure, or long-distance journey more enjoyable and efficient than ever before. Airwheel SE3S. The Airwheel SE3S is an incredible blend of innovation and practicality, redefining how we travel in urban environments. This 20-inch smart rideable suitcase is lightweight at just 8 kilograms and crafted from durable 6 Series aluminum alloy with a sleek design. Powered by a 250 watts brushless motor, it reaches speeds up to 13 kilometers per hour and offers a travel range of 10 kilometers per charge, perfect for quick commutes or airport transfers. Its removable 73.26 watt-hour battery meets airline regulations, making it a great companion for air travel. With a 20-liter capacity, it holds your essentials while doubling as a personal mobility device. Available in black, silver, and pink for around $900, the Airwheel SE3S is ideal for tech-savvy travelers who value style, convenience, and efficiency. Async L5. The Async L5 is an incredible all-terrain electric bike built for riders who crave power, range, and smart technology. Its robust 750 watts motor, peaking at 1280 watts with 80 Newton meters of torque, propels the bike up to 28 miles per hour and easily handles steep hills. The high-capacity 1040 watt-hour Samsung battery provides an impressive range of up to 75 miles, with over 45 miles possible on throttle alone. The L5's 5.5-inch color IPS dashboard offers IoT connectivity for real-time data, GPS tracking, anti-theft protection, and auto unlocking. Designed for rugged terrain, it features puncture-resistant fat tires, coil spring suspension, and hydraulic disc brakes. Weighing 79 pounds, the sleek aluminum frame keeps everything neat. Priced around $1,800, the Async L5 is perfect for adventure seekers wanting performance and smart features. Brabus 130R. The Brabus 1300R Masterpiece Edition is an extraordinary blend of luxury, power, and exclusivity. Limited to only 50 units and priced at €41,933, this bike is a true collector's gem. Its 1,301 cubic centimeter V-twin engine produces an impressive 180 horsepower and 140 Newton meters of torque, propelling it from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. 3.2 seconds, with a top speed of 270 kilometers per hour. The bike boasts premium features like WP Apex semi-active suspension, Brembo stylimer brakes, and Gold Platinum Brabus Monoblock Z forged wheels. Its carbon fiber components, custom heated seat, and CNC machined details highlight exquisite craftsmanship. The distinctive TFT display, with BRABUS's signature red theme, completes this masterpiece, a bold statement in engineering and design. Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike is an incredible leap into the future of personal transportation, combining jet propulsion with cutting-edge design. Created by Polish inventor Tomasz Paton, this single-rider flying vehicle reaches speeds up to 124 miles per hour, delivering an unmatched aerial thrill. Its proprietary stabilization system, paired with an advanced flight computer, allows effortless hovering and smooth control, making flight accessible even to beginners. The open-air design provides a breathtaking 360-degree view, fully immersing the rider in the experience. Built from lightweight carbon fiber and 3D printed parts, the Airbike is 7 times lighter than a typical motorcycle, enhancing its agility and responsiveness. For those dreaming of sci-fi flight, the Volonaut Airbike turns imagination into reality with style and innovation. Chameleon Trike. The Chameleon Trike is an incredible fusion of fitness, fun, and mobility, designed by Alessandro Bonacci to deliver a full-body workout on the go. This innovative tricycle engages both your arms and legs simultaneously, making exercise dynamic and efficient. Its minimalist frame and lightweight construction ensure portability and style, while its user-friendly design suits various fitness levels. Compact and easy to store, the Chameleon Trike fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. Priced at around €700, it offers an accessible and fresh approach to fitness equipment. Whether you want to boost your exercise routine or simply enjoy an active, enjoyable ride, the Chameleon Trike is a unique and effective way to stay fit while moving. Electra Ponto Go. The Electra Ponto Go is an incredible electric bike perfect for urban commuting and relaxed weekend rides. Powered by a 500 watts rear hub motor, it offers a smooth and responsive riding experience. Its 625 watt-hour battery supports an impressive range of up to 60 miles, making it ideal for longer trips around the city. The Ponto Go stands out with its unique bench-style saddle that comfortably fits 2 riders, complete with foot pegs and a passenger handle for extra safety. Stylish and practical, it comes in multiple colors to suit different tastes. Priced at $2,700, the Electra Ponto Go combines comfort, versatility, and eco-friendly performance, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their daily travel. ElliptiGO 8C. The ElliptiGO 8C is an incredible elliptical bike that perfectly blends fitness and fun. Priced at $3,000, it features an 8-speed Shimano hub, making it easy to conquer various terrains. Its patented ElliptiDrive system offers a smooth, low-impact workout that mimics natural running without stressing your joints. Adjustable stride length and ergonomic grips ensure comfort for riders of different sizes and reduce fatigue on longer rides. Weighing 44 pounds with a 250-pound weight limit, the 8C balances durability and portability. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability, making it ideal for cross-training, rehabilitation, or outdoor enjoyment. For those seeking a unique and effective workout alternative, the ElliptiGO 8C is a standout choice. Minson Skate Bike. The Minson Skate Bike is an incredible and rare hybrid that combines elements of a unicycle and skateboard, produced from 1984 to 1986 by Minson Enterprises in Los Angeles. Featuring a 16-inch rear wheel with a pneumatic tire and skateboard-style front trucks with 60mm wheels, it offers a truly unique riding experience. Its steel frame includes a caliper brake beneath the seat for added control. With a 36-tooth front sprocket and 100mm cranks, the compact design challenges riders but rewards with distinct maneuverability. Originally priced at $100, the Minson skate bike is now a sought-after collector's item due to its rarity and vintage appeal, known also as the Roller Shuttle in the UK and Twisties Edition in Australia. Seev Bee e-scooter. The Seev Bee e-scooter is an incredible urban mobility solution combining power, range, and smart features. Powered by a 1,000-watt motor, it can reach speeds up to 55 km per hour, making city travel quick and efficient. Its impressive 60-volt graphene battery offers a range of up to 95 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes, with a charging time of about 7 hours. The scooter comes packed with modern conveniences like keyless entry, an anti-theft alarm, cruise control, and bright LED headlights and taillights for safety. A digital speedometer adds to the rider's ease of use. Compact and stylish, the Seev Bee delivers a reliable, safe, and enjoyable riding experience, ideal for anyone seeking a smart and eco-friendly urban ride. Acer Ebii. The Acer Ebii is an incredible AI-powered e-bike designed for urban commuters who value performance and smart technology. Weighing only 23.5 kilograms, it boasts a sleek aluminum frame and durable 20-inch puncture-resistant airform tires for a smooth, low-maintenance ride. Powered by a 250-watt hub motor, delivering 40 Newton-meters of torque, it offers assisted speeds up to 25 km per hour. The 460 watt-hour removable battery provides an impressive range of up to 110 kilometers and fully charges in just 2.5 hours. Smart features include the eBike Assist system, which adapts to your pedaling and route, plus the ElliptiGO app for route planning, battery monitoring, and auto lock. Enhanced safety comes from integrated lights, collision sensors, and GPS tracking. Priced around $5,000, it's a top-tier urban e-bike. Mini eBike 1. The Mini eBike 1 is an incredible premium electric bike born from a collaboration between Mini and Angel Mobility. Weighing just 19 kilograms with the battery, it features a sleek aluminum frame and carbon fork for lightweight durability. Powered by a 250-watt rear hub motor, it offers 3 levels of pedal assist up to 25 kilometers per hour. The removable 252 watt-hour battery charges in about 2 hours and provides a range of up to 65 kilometers on the lowest assist setting. A 2.4-inch touchscreen cockpit displays speed, distance, and battery life, with customizable settings via the Angel app. Safety is a priority with integrated lights, turn signals, hydraulic disc brakes, and an anti-theft alarm backed by a 2-year warranty, making it a stylish and secure ride. RadPower RadRunner 3+. The RadPower RadRunner 3+ is an incredible electric utility bike perfect for urban commuters and cargo haulers alike. Powered by a robust 750-watt rear hub motor, it offers pedal assist speeds up to 20 miles per hour and a 672 watt-hour battery that delivers a range between 25 to 45 plus miles per charge. Its 7-speed Shimano drivetrain and hydraulic disc brakes ensure smooth shifting and reliable stopping power, while the 60mm RST spring fork enhances ride comfort. The 20 by 3.3-inch Kendake 905 tires provide stability on diverse terrains. With a sturdy integrated rear rack supporting up to 120 pounds of cargo, plus full fenders, lights, and a twist throttle, the RadRunner 3+ balances versatility and convenience. Priced at $2,500, it's a smart, feature-packed choice for daily riders. Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is an incredible innovation that lets you experience cycling on water. Weighing around 37.4 to 40.3 kilograms, its modular design ensures easy transport and storage. Powered by a 2,500-watt motor, it offers 10 levels of pedal assistance, reaching speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour with a comfortable cruising speed of 11 kilometers per hour. The SL3 features a 52-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 3 hours of ride time, while higher models extend that to 4.5 hours. Designed with a composite monocoque chassis for stability, it includes quick assembly points and a throttle-only launch mode, perfect for beginners. With prices starting at around €10,290, the Hydrofoiler SL3 blends cutting-edge technology with a unique, thrilling water riding experience. Lectric XP4. The Lectric XP4 is an incredible folding fat tire e-bike that combines power, versatility, and convenience. With a 750-watt rear hub motor and 1,000-watt peak output, it handles a variety of terrains effortlessly. Its 48-volt lithium-ion battery provides up to 45 miles of range, ideal for urban commuting or off-road adventures. Equipped with a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain and mechanical disc brakes, the bike offers reliable performance and control. The 20 by 4-inch fat tires ensure stability and comfort on rough surfaces, while the folding frame makes storage and transport simple, perfect for city living. Additional features include integrated lights, a rear cargo rack, and a twist throttle. At just $1,000, the Lectric XP4 delivers exceptional value without compromising power or quality. MeetOne Tour. The MeetOne Tour dual motor, dual battery electric trike is an incredible, powerful e-trike designed for comfort and versatility. Equipped with dual 750-watt hub motors, delivering a combined 2,400-watt peak power, it offers smooth acceleration and stability across diverse terrains. Dual 15 amp-hour Samsung batteries provide a total of 30 amp-hour capacity, enabling an impressive range of 55 to 130 miles per charge. The Trike's top speed is 16 miles per hour, extendable to 23.6 miles per hour when unlocked. Its full suspension system, including a double shoulder fork and dual rear shocks, guarantees a comfortable ride. Features like 180mm hydraulic disc brakes, 7-speed gearing, electric reverse, and a semi-recumbent seat with backrest enhanced usability. Supporting up to 550 pounds, the MeetOne Tour is priced at $3,300, delivering excellent value and performance.